Good day, theorists. This is Option Theory, and it is October 6th, 2020. Your cherry bomb trade is in today, and I hope you like TLT. We already have a position in TLT in our portfolio, but this one's different. TLT has a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4 and an IV rank of 19 right now. And surprisingly, today's cherry bomb suggests a short put vertical, which might be counterintuitive when you look at that IV rank. So, if you think that you might be interested in putting TLT into your portfolio, whether real or simulated, then hop on into the platform with me and we'll put this trade on. Hi everybody, my name is Neil and this is Option Theory. Thanks so much for joining. If this is the first time watching here and you're newish to options, the best thing you can do besides subscribing and liking is going down to that description box. There it is. And you're going to want to hit the link down there to sign up for Tasty Trades Cherry Bomb emails. They don't spam you. You're literally just signing up to receive the same emails that we get from them, where 4 of the 5 days in a normal trading week get trade ideas. We're putting them into this simulated trading portfolio to test our skills and hone our practices, right? Work on our system. So with that said, let's go ahead and use this platform to build out today's trade. So we can see, just take a quick look here. I already have a TLT position on, and this was within the past month. I would say maybe 2 weeks ago, I put this trade on. It was a long call vertical. I spent $1.05 on it so I can make 95 cents. But since then, we can take a look at the chart for TLT. It has definitely come down. And yesterday's email will talk about what a big drop it was. And hey, you know, TLT went down. But if it's mean reverting, we should be seeing it come back up, right? So it's probably not going to come back up where I'd like it, which would be that 164 mark right about here. But hey, you never know. That's where it was, right? So let's take a look. Let's build this trade out. So I have the Analyze tab here. I'm at Simulated Trade. We are going to be in the November weeklies with 38 days to expiration. So remember, TLT is really liquid, highly liquid. However, it is worth noting that today is the 45 days to expiration on monthlies. So the following mechanics, you know, this is the number that's the sweet spot that they determined. I'm kind of surprised they didn't go with this one. But let's build it as we received it. We'd be looking to sell the 157 put and buy the 155 to define our risk, you know, at $2 wide. We'd look to collect about 65 cents. Close to it. Here we're about 1/3 the width, right? So that way we're building in trade management into this one, right? So I know I still have yet to make that video on trade management, but I want you to know I'm going to address this again in that video. You're already managing it when you put your trade on, especially with defined risk, right? You're putting trades on that meet that mechanic, right? Because here we know what our max profit and we know what our max loss is, and we don't put on a trade that we're not acceptable, you know, with that max loss in a defined risk situation. So here we are. I already have that long position and I've unchecked these boxes so that we can go now into our analysis and probabilities phase of our videos. So here we have the risk profile for this trade. We've got our expiration wrong here, so we make sure this is set to expiration, which you can see here is November 14th. Click that, and then I want to shrink this down so I can see the expected move here. I don't know why it's fighting me. There it is. All right, so we're looking at, according to this one, a 61% probability of landing on or to the right of this price slice here, which we'll call that probability of profit of 61%. But if you plug the same trade into Tastyworks, get a 63% probability of profit and a 79% P50, which is pretty dang good, right? So with that, we could set this slice to chart and see. How about I auto zoom that back out, right? So we'd like TLT over the next 38 days to stay above this, right? That line, that'd be fantastic. And even better if it goes above 164. So with our 2 trades on, we'd love to see a spike in TLT. Now, it doesn't seem particularly spike worthy. It doesn't seem to spike often, although it did here, I think for obvious reasons. All right, so that is understanding our probabilities. Let's make sure we understand our max profit and max loss. We'll do so by going back to here, right-clicking on this trade, choosing confirm and send, and we'll see here that we have $62 of max profit. We'll look to manage this when this trade is worth 31 cents, right? And we can buy it back for 31 cents and get our 50% profit. If it should move against us, right? And it does so slowly maybe, which it does kind of look like TLT generally moves slowly, except for when I put trades on, right? If it moves against us, of course, you could always take off the trade at a loss. But I'm going into this accepting that my original probabilities are what I'm going to stick with. All right, so 138, I'm okay with losing that. Now, when I hit OK, I'm going to hit send. That's going to put that into my working orders. And we move to the phase where I thank you for watching this far into the video. It does help me that you watch these videos the full length, and I appreciate that so much. So I give you your thumbs up. If you think I've earned that thumbs up, would you mind hitting that thumbs up for me? I do appreciate that so much. So hopefully you decided on a trade here. I guess there is an alternative. I didn't discuss it. You could, with a low IV rank, do a long call vertical. Since I already have a long call vertical on this one, I'm just going to stick with the cherry bomb trade for today. So, all right, until I see you in tomorrow's cherry bomb, everybody, happy trading.